So cool. I don't know what those are, some kind of storks. Good morning, everybody. Bird Point Island. I went hunting yesterday about 5 hours and didn't find anything. Trying to find some new spots. I've already been hunting about an hour and a half today and found a bunch of flint chips, but no points yet. But I think I got one over here. I marked it with my hat. I didn't want to pull this camera out until the last minute. I'm pretty sure I got a rhyolite one under the water. Well, I hope so. I think it is. That's going to be a neat one if it's not broke. Oh yeah. This camera, I hate this stupid camera. Where is it at? Shoot, come on, focus. Can you see it? Well, I hope I'm not messing this camera up in this mist. Alright. Oh, cool! Ah, hey, it's kind of crude. I like it though. I'm getting muddy here. Yeah, not much, but it's a little point. Didn't know if I found anything today. The water's way up on me. But it has rained on these rocks a little, and these are wet, but they still have mud on them underneath the water. Anyway, I'm satisfied for the day. Not much. That's pretty rough, pretty crude. That's pretty neat though. Cool. I'll get back with you and find something else. Okay guys, we're back. Now I watched a video from Headhunter LT a while back, and it was kind of neat. He just wanted to film everything in one shot, so he marked everything and then he went around and picked them up. So I'm going to copy him on this deal, and I got 3 things to show you. I think this one's broke. Actually, no, it goes like that. But it does have an ear off. Well, I don't know, it might go like that. Pretty neat little point though. Why I call this Bird Point Island. Yeah, I think it goes like that, guys. And I'm missing a little ear end and tip. Alright. Still neat. I hope I didn't break that. Walking here. And I come here a lot because it's near my house, near where I live, and I find stuff, so. Alright, I didn't have any colored pencils like he did, so I marked it with a X marks the spot. It's another flint one. This might be a hole. It's gonna be tiny though. Hey, I'm not sure yet, but it's pretty cool. Wow, well, that had a little ear on it at one time. Pretty beat up though. Well, shoot, that was my best hope. Got one more thing to pick up here. Took me about an hour to hunt this little island. Where'd it go? I'll go real slow though. Here it is. I didn't want to get my camera wet by taking it out every 5 minutes, so. This one here is broke for sure. But it's crystal. Missing a tip and a base. Pretty neat. That would have been a killer one right there. That's a heartbreaker. Oh well. Still had fun. Been kind of misty and drizzly all day, so this will probably be my last spot today. Well, I'll get with you later. See ya. Well, here's a quick cleanup, guys. Didn't find a whole lot, but had a good time. Bunch of flint chips and rhyolite chips. When it's misting out there and it's a little bit of a drizzle, the flint chips really show up. They look really shiny out there. That would have been a beautiful piece of vein quartz. Real thin arrowhead, but it's broke. I think that was a tip too. Pretty happy with that. Really crude, simple, and been washed by that tide a lot. Neat little bird point. I love those. I wish it was not broke. This one here would have been a really nice point. but I'm missing some ears. Well, here's a quick recap of February. Didn't find as much as I did in January, but I found 3 killers, so that really helped out the month. Here's a close-up look at the 2 killers I found last week. Two of the nicest points I've ever found. I want to say it was really cool to see all you guys from Missouri and Kentucky and Ohio all get together. And that was neat. That was really neat to see. Everybody, thanks for all the thumbs up and the comments and everything. I really appreciate it. Have a lot of fun making these videos and sharing it with everybody. So I really appreciate it. Bye.